Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Foodtech 360. In this video, we are doing Kerala PSC Agriculture Officer Exam MCQs. Topic Soil Science Set 2. It consists of 25 MCQs. So watch till end and comment down your score out of 25. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use Foodtech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Ultraviolet radiation emitted by sun does not reach the ground due to options: A. Absorbance by ozone, B. Absorbance by oxygen, C. Absorbance by water vapor, D. Absorbance by methane. Correct answer A. Absorbance by ozone. Question number 2. Neutron moisture probe estimates moisture in soil by detecting molecules of options: A. Water, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Carbon. Correct answer A. Water. Question number 3. A technique in biochemical and microbiological research used to find out exact location and distribution of radioactive minerals in the living tissues is options: A. Radiography, B. Autoradiography, C. Polarimetry, D. Radioactivity. Correct answer A. Radiography. Question number 4. Transparent polythene sheet laid on soil increases soil temperature as options: A. It absorbs all the incidence of radiation, B. It absorbs shortwave radiation, C. It transmits shortwave radiation and blocks the longwave radiation, D. It absorbs longwave radiation. Correct answer A. It absorbs all the incidence of radiation. Question number 5. The maximum diurnal variation in soil temperature is recorded at soil depth of options: A. 30 cm, B. 20 cm, C. 10 cm, D. 0 cm. Correct answer D. 20 cm. Question number 6. Highest wind erosion has occurred in options: A. North India, B. West India, C. Northeast India, D. South India. Correct answer B. West India. Question number 7. Which of the following is a limiting factor in a desert ecosystem? Options: A. Water only, B. Temperature only, C. Both water and temperature, D. Humidity. Correct answer A. Water only. Question number 8. The unconsolidated material overlying the rocks is known as options: A. Soil, B. Regolith, C. Sea horizon, D. R or bedrock. Correct answer D. R or bedrock. Question number 9. The most erosion resistant crop is options: A. Soybean, B. Rice, C. Maize, D. Red gram. Correct answer C. Maize. Question number 10. The mineral elements which stimulate plant growth but are not essential or which are essential only for certain plant species or under specific conditions are known as options: A. Nutrient, B. Available, C. Beneficial, D. Supplementary. Correct answer D. Supplementary. Question number 11. Rain gauge is used for determination of options: A. Irrigation, B. Runoff, C. Rainfall, D. Water depth. Correct answer C. Rainfall. Question number 12. Plant shows maximum absorptions in options: A. Blue, green and red band, B. Blue, green and NIR bands, C. Blue, red and NIR bands, D. Green, red and NLR bands. Correct answer A. Blue, green and red band. Question number 13. The physical basis of precision farming is options A. Input quality, B. Variable rate technology, C. Field variability, D. Site specific input. Correct answer D. Site specific input. Question number 14. Agronomical measure for soil conservation is options A. Contour trench, B. Contour cultivation, C. Bench terrace, D. Conservation bench terrace. Correct answer B. Contour cultivation. Question number 15. Vernalization is options A. Period of vernal equinox, B. Period of vernal season, C. Low temperature requirement for flowering of winter plants, D. Snowfall required for flowering of winter plants. Correct answer C. Low temperature requirement for flowering of winter plants. Question number 16. Kandahar soil is also known as dash. Options A. Clayey, B. Clay loam, C. Gravelly, D. Sandy loam. Correct answer A. Clayey. Question number 17. Dorsa soil is also known as dash. Options A. Clayey, B. Clay loam, C. Gravelly, D. Sandy loam. Correct answer B. Clay loam. Question number 18. Reddish color in muriate of potash is due to dash. Options A. KCl, B. Color agent, C. Impurities, D. All of the above. Correct answer C. Impurities. Question number 19. Feldspar is primary mineral that occurs predominantly in dash. Options A. Igneous rock, B. Sedimentary rock, C. Metamorphic rocks, D. All of the above. Correct answer A. Igneous rock. Question number 20. Bedrock is absent in which soil? Options A. Black soil, B. Red soil, C. Alluvial soil, D. Forest soil. Correct answer C. Alluvial soil. Question number 21. Saline soil also known as dash. Options A. Solonchak, B. Solonets, C. Sodachak, D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Solonchak. Question number 22. The honeycomb structure found in dash. Options A. Alluvial soil, B. Black soil, C. Saline soil, D. Laterite soil. Correct answer D. Laterite soil. Question number 23. Which soil occur mainly a soil crust problem? Options A. Sandy soil, B. Silty clay loam, C. Loamy soil, D. Clayey soil. Correct answer B. Silty clay loam. Question number 24. Red color of soil is due to dash. Options A. Hematite, B. Geothite, C. Gluconite, D. Megamite. Correct answer A. Hematite. Question number 25. Black color of soil is due to dash. Options A. Titaniferous magnetite, B. Geothite, C. Gluconite, D. Organic matter. Correct answer A. Titaniferous magnetite. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. This series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam. One topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. Unacademy has started a free test series for 10th and 12th level prelims. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th and 12th level prelims exam to be held in 2021. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 10th level prelims exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for 12th level prelims exam. This course will be available only on Unacademy Plus. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.